Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to actually clean your brushes with the Master's brush cleaner. So what I like to do first is get some water onto the soap itself, swish it around a little bit, get the soap nice and ready. And then you take your brush, put it in some clean water, and then you just want to get it in there. Swirl it around. As you can see, the color is coming off the brush from use. So it is working. And then you get it in a paper towel. And then you get back in there again. Put a little bit on the paper towel. You kind of just want to go back and forth with your steps here. But the thing I like to do at the end is I actually like to get a little bit more on there at the end and leave it overnight. Because the hairs have memory, and it'll help keep your brushes from being a monster all the time. So yeah, super easy to do. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, whatever, throw them down there below. And thanks for watching.